So here is my do-it-yourself project. The canvas got ripped and I decided to make a permanent roof on the gazebo on my patio, and I used the polycarbonate panels. The panels are called Suntuf. This is very nice, transparent. And here you have details, how is it done. So basically at the bottom and at the top and in the middle, the bigger sections, the wooden beams painted, so there is a protection against weather. And those metal corners, this is 90 degrees corners for the siding, I believe, were used to put this at the corners of the roof. And here you have the beams, the wooden beams painted, so the screws for the panels go easily into those, and the structure holds, and that's the final product.